the next step that we want to get into is being able to convert our base images into something a little more fun, a little more watercolory. So there's a kind of a great program. It's actually free. It's called Fotosketcher, F-O-T-O Sketcher. You can just download it and install it. And what it does is, you can see by their example image here, that you can change a photo into something more watercolory or whatever. So we're going to run our files through that filter. So we're just going to come here and we'll navigate to our exported images, and we really only need to convert two, which would be our SketchUp base color map, which is this image. Again, this is just our background kind of base color that we were messing with, and as well as this one, which is our rendered out version. So you can see we have our two versions that we're going to play with, and so we're going to start with this one, which again is our SketchUp base image. And what we want to do is run through the preset that they have, which will be Painting 5 Watercolor, and the presets should be fine. So we're going to click Draw, and you can see it's going to go through its rendering process. You can see the status bar down here, and we will jump ahead. So you can see, jumping ahead, the two images side by side, our original one there, and this is our more watercolory version. So we're just going to save this out, and we will call it our SketchUp base color map Fotosketcher. That'll work well, just so we know. In fact, I think I'm going to erase this and get rid of the SketchUp and make it our Fotosketcher base color map. We will save that image, and we will open our other one, our Viz base color map, and we will run this one through the exact same process. And again, you can see the status bar down here running, and we will jump ahead, and you can see again the filter having run. You can see how well this Fotosketcher works just to create a nice background image. I mean, even this alone looks fairly decent, but it's going to give us a great background base to work with. So we're going to save this one out, and we will call it actually we'll call it FS for Fotosketcher Viz base color map. And I forgot, I want to rename this one SketchUp base color map, just so we keep things clear. And we'll save that out, and that's it for now. That's Fotosketcher. Just quickly looking at it, you can see that there's all kinds of different effects. You know, here's a pencil version. Show you this one real quick. We'll jump ahead on this one as well. And again, you can see this is the pencil filter having run. So we could even use this as a background image. It's really what you want to try to accomplish. You can see there's all kinds of variables to this process. So even though I'm showing you a process of you know, this watercolor tutorial, you can see that it's really up to you of how you want to do it. We'll go ahead and save this one out as well, and we will call this one pencil, and we will quickly, since we're adding this one here, I'm going to quickly name this watercolor, and we're going to rename this one watercolor. So here it is. Here's all of our exports, all of our layers that we're going to use to composite within Photoshop to try and create a final image. We will do that on our next video.